Every woman was born to be a princess. Our Father God in heaven is the ruler over all earth. Hello, I'm Beth from Crafty Beths. In my channel or on my channel, I share with you what I like to do, which is crafting. I do paper crafts, I do fabric, crafts with fabrics. I'm upcycling, making things from old to new, or new to something, my creation. But there's something new that's coming to my channel. I want to share with you what I've also been doing. Now, I'm pretty crafty and I like to do many things. One of the things is read books. I read the Bible, I read other books. I am in a Bible study right now and learning to, learn more about the Bible. Now it's time for me to learn. My birthday's next week. Why do I say it's my birthday next week? Because throughout my life, I've learned different things. First, I was a baby, I was a girl, a teenager, a young woman, and an adult, and now I'm in my elder years. I'll be turning, if you know me, you know how old I'm gonna be. So happy birthday to me. But throughout my life, I have learned so many things. I have learned that my Father in heaven is the King of Kings. So I put on the crown of his princess. Now I say princess as a way of saying I am the daughter of a king. Not that I deserve everything. I want everything and I'm gonna get everything just because I am. That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I want to learn new things and I want to get closer to God. If that is something you're interested in, continue to follow me once a week. I'm not sure what day. This might be going up on Friday. It might be going up on Monday. I don't know. But we can come up with an idea of when you guys would like to go and hear this. Now, I know for me on Sundays is an off day. I have class. I have sometimes work. Saturdays is mostly like celebration time for me and the family. We get together, we celebrate our birthdays, we celebrate new things that are happening. So it might be during the week when I come into this room and you'll see a different background every time that the seasons change or I just decide I want to put something up. Right now I still have my Christmas tree. I have Christmas lights and those are going to stay up there. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to go ahead and just continue to roll things in. Let me tell you a little bit about what happened at the end of last year. At the end of last year in November, I ended up going to a retreat with the women at our church. Now this retreat is every year. Every year is a different theme. For last year, the theme was Princess and Warrior. Princess in me and the warrior in me. Every day there is a fight, not against humans, but against the enemy. Staying strong is sometimes hard without God because we're fighting almost like if you're fighting against yourself. You don't have a direction. You don't know who you are, so who are you fighting for? Well, in the upcoming weeks, there is a book that I want to go ahead and go through. It is this one, The Princess Within. I might try to find the one with the Princess and the Warrior study. And if that comes up and if you're interested, comment down below. I'll go ahead and share with you that. But for now, this is the book and this is the author. And here she is. There's a little glare, but that is her. The book is still available on Amazon. So if you would like to join me on this study or if you've already done it and if you notice something, if you want to comment anything, go ahead. Share with us what you want to know, what you know, and your thoughts. In this book, I will put my glasses on because I need it. Let me start off with this. Every woman was born to be a princess. Our Father God in heaven is the ruler over all earth. His family through our faith in Christ, Jesus Christ, the King of Kings. We are royal heirs to all of God's promises. Our Creator designed his daughters to be the glory of men and the mothers of all living things. We were the final touch of creation and the solution to the loneliness in mankind. Why have so many women fallen from that place of honor and esteem? It grieves me to see women hiding in the shadows of a busy church, shamed and saddened by sacred secrets from their past they wish to conceal. Christian women should be restored to their place of holiness before God, so their testimony will draw all women back to the Lord. Yet many beautiful Christian women are still trying to keep their secrets instead of giving them to the Lord, their secret keeper. The dirt of their old lives cling to them as they bathe in liquid silt. Each morning they go about their daily routine covered with fresh mud, concealing their true identity. Is that us? Is that what we're doing? Let's think for a moment. Are we hiding behind this mud that we put on every day? Smiling when we really don't feel like smiling? Hiding our, spiritual gifts? If you are in a church, ask yourself, what do I need to crawl out from this crust of mud that I have burrowed myself into? I want to discover new things about myself in light of Christ. He has a purpose for me. He's always had a purpose. He's always had my hand in his. He's always provided. He's always taken care of me. Someday I'll tell you the story and my testimony of who I was. Where did I come? All I know is that when your father and your mother, your brothers and sisters leave you, God will never leave you. He is there for us. He's there for me. He's there for you. And now we have to just break that shell of mud. Join me on a weekly study, sharing this book with you, sharing my thoughts, and enjoying your comments. And if you would like to share those comments with us, comment down below. Is this something you would like to join me on? It's a weekly thing. Maybe you want to just sit down at night with a cup of tea and just watch a couple of pages written. Go over it with me, comment back and forth. Now, I've thought of probably making a podcast of this. But first, I would like to see your reaction. What do you want to do? Let me know. I really want to hear your words, your voice. And if you know me personally, let me know. And I'll see you ladies from SOM on Sunday. Till next time, anybody who would like to learn more, comment down below, share the channel for anybody who would like to go ahead and learn more about this, and like and share. Don't forget that comment button. All right, till next time, bye for now.